Hi, I'm Audrey Kotulski from CanadaCharityRules.com. So, what should a charity do if you have a donor that donates a stay in their cottage, cabin, or a condo? It's for your silent auction, and they request a charitable tax receipt for that. You know it's been done before, but you're not sure if it's okay. So, the donation of a stay in a cabin, condo, or cottage does not fulfill the basic criteria for receiving a donation. So that would be there's no transfer of ownership of the property. So what should a charity do? The first part I would suggest is to print off the CRA receipting rules and have them handy as you discuss that situation with your charity management, your treasurer, board of directors, depending on the situation. So secondly, I would outline the issues. I'd explain that it doesn't qualify for a donation as it does not have transfer of ownership of that property. However, an exchange of checks might work, and that would make the donation receipt possible. So that exchange of checks, again, is a process where the donor invoices the charity for that item. The charity pays that invoice, and then the donor will then donate a similar or same amount back to that charity. But those have to be three distinct, separate items. You can't just give an invoice and a donation receipt where the payment has not gone back and forth officially. So that's probably less palatable for the donor because they have to bring in the amount into their revenue and then they offset with the tax credit for the donation. So if the stay was paid for by someone and they have a purchase receipt, then the purchase amount would be receivable. So this is a sensitive issue when you're dealing with something that's been done before and maybe isn't as compliant. So, you know, it might be a board member or a significant donor. You really need to pay attention and take some time to think about how are you going to talk to the person about it. How are you going to, who should have that conversation? It needs to be thoughtful, but also a compliant process so that it protects the charity and that individual. So again, if in doubt, call CRA with your specific situation. I hope this helps you and your charity. If you're interested in receiving more of these updates, please subscribe to our email list at www.canadacharityrules.com. So that's www.canada-charity-rules.com. I look forward to working with you and your charity. Let's make this year the best year ever for our charities and our communities.